Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Zwcad tutorials how to create center line. For example, I will draw rectangle and we set the dimensions like into 100 and 100. Next, to create center line, first you create line object, like I will create line from this point to here. And then we need to change this line type into center line. You can type line type, press enter to be sure for line type manager, choose load button, and then you can searching for the center line. So here I will use this example, enter, okay, and then okay again. Now you can select the line object, go to properties tab, and you can change in this line type into center. You also can set for the scale by clicking at this option, and I will set like into 0,5. Line type will be changed into 0,5, or you can set again like into 0,1. Press enter. This is 0,1. Okay, that's it for basic Zwcad tutorials how to create center line. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.